I'm Dr. Marty Greer from Checkout Veterinary, and today I would like to help you better understand your cat's wellness and how to ensure your cat thrives. Judy will be helping by asking some questions about it, and I hope we're able to help you understand more about why cat wellness is so important.
Dr. Greer, what is a cat wellness exam?
Well, a cat wellness exam is going to be a comprehensive physical exam for your pet. It'll be head to tail. So we'll start off looking usually at the head, the nose, the teeth, the ears, the eyes. We'll move back on an older cat in particular. We'll check the neck for thyroid disease, thyroid enlargement. We'll listen to the cat's heart, feel the cat's abdomen, check their limbs, check their tail, check their genitals. Just a good comprehensive hands-on physical exam, assuming that we have a cat that's cooperative enough to give us that hands-on opportunity.
What will a veterinarian be looking for during my cat's wellness exam?
We'll be looking at any kind of a change, an enlarged thyroid, dental disease, any kind of ear or eye discharge or changes, a heart murmur, an abdomen that doesn't feel right, body condition score where the cat may have lost weight or seems a little dehydrated, any enlarged organs, any lumps or bumps. So pretty much a comprehensive physical exam.
Will my cat's wellness exam require any specific lab work or procedures?
Well, it might. It depends on the cat. I usually will start doing the geriatric cat blood profiles when the cat reaches the last 25% of its expected life expectancy. So if we expect a cat to live to be 16, somewhere around age 12, we're going to start recommending that annual blood work. If the cat's losing weight or has symptoms of something sooner than that, of course, we're going to start it younger. And for some cats that don't like having hands on or don't like having their blood and urine samples collected, because let's face it, that's not that much fun. We recommend picking up gabapentin, which is a sedative that you can give to the cat a couple of hours before the appointment. And that can really make the cat's visit much more comfortable. The cat's going to be happier, you'll be less stressed, and it's going to be a lot easier for us to get accurate test results because we won't be struggling with a cat that's stressed. They're going to relax and they're going to let us collect those blood and urine samples much more easily.
How does wellness impact the longevity and the health of my cat?
Well, like us, any cat that's overweight, underweight, has a kidney problem, has heart disease, thyroid disease, diabetes, any of those things are really going to shorten the life expectancy of your pet. So the earlier we can detect those disorders, the sooner we can intervene. Cats develop a lot of thyroid disease as they become older, and that's a very, very treatable disease. It's one of the best geriatric cat diseases we can see because we have good treatment options, the cats respond well, and we often see those cats living nice, normal life expectancies if we can detect it before they develop heart problems that are irreversible.
When should I bring my cat in to the veterinarian for a wellness exam?
Well, that's a really good question because we see a lot of kittens. They come in for their kitten vaccinations. Then we spay or neuter them at around 6 months of age. And then sometimes we don't hear back from people that they have a cat for the next 16 or 17 years. And so by the time they come in, the cat is frail, it's elderly, it's thin, it's lost a lot of body condition, it has many or at least one serious health condition. So our recommendation is to see those cats annually. I know cats don't love their visits. They're not crazy about the carrier, but with some techniques that we have videos on and with some gabapentin, we can make those visits a lot less stressful. And by seeing the cats on an annual basis, we're going to pick up some changes in their health or potentially changes in their health that if we intervene soon, we can really make a difference in your cat's longevity. I don't know anybody that says, gee, I wish my cat hadn't lived to be old. I really was okay with them not living old. I think we all want our pets to live as long as possible.
What are some signs and symptoms that my cat may not be feeling well?
Well, we frequently see weight loss, and it can sometimes be so gradual that you don't even notice it. You see the cat every day, and until somebody comes over, a family member or a friend, and they look at your cat and say, oh my goodness, when did she lose so much weight? You might not even recognize that there's been a weight loss. Of course, there are other symptoms: vomiting, coughing, sneezing, diarrhea, any other symptom, frequent urination, urinating outside the litter box. Those are all very commonly seen symptoms of disease. Change in appetite, change in water consumption. So any of those changes that you see, if it's just not what the cat has always done, that merits a phone call for a veterinary visit.
What are some possible environmental factors that can affect cat wellness?
So the cat's lifestyle, if it goes indoors or if it indoors only or if it goes outside. Those are really important environmental factors. Cats that go outside tend to have a lot greater chances of injury or fights. Cats that are outside may be more likely to pick up parasites. Environmentally in the house, it's really important that we know that the cat's getting adequate nutrition and adequate water, not too much, not too little. So those are important. Access to litter boxes, the number of litter boxes you have, the number of other cats in the household. Those are all really important environmental factors for us to assess and to know about, because that may help us make decisions about how to manage your cat's wellness or its illness.
Why is early detection so important to the well-being of my cat?
So just like us, early detection is important. Diabetic cats tend to get sick pretty quickly. So those aren't things that are going to happen slowly and gradually. But things like kidney disease and thyroid disease, those are things that we very frequently see as a slow, gradual progression of disease. And the sooner we can pick that up and get the cat on an appropriate diet or appropriate medications, the longer those cats have to live with you. If we early detect kidney disease or early detect thyroid disease, we can really significantly impact what they eat, how well they manage, how much weight they lose, how well they feel, and how long we can keep them happily in our homes.
And if clients have questions regarding cat wellness, what should they do?
Well, we're happy to talk to them. All they need to do is give us a call at 608-318-6700 at Checkout Veterinary, and we can get them scheduled for an appointment for a full wellness and potentially some lab work as well.